This is an old bar stool, and this is what it looks like after I was done with it. Stick around and I'll show you how to reupholster a bar stool chair. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name's Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. First, place the bar stool on a flat surface such as a workbench or a table. Use a flathead screwdriver and start prying off old material. You may want to use pliers to help you pull the material off. Next, remove the old foam and the old material. Then, go through with a flathead screwdriver and needle nose pliers and remove all the old staples. Next, you can either get a new foam or use existing foam from the bar stool and cut it to match to the bar stool shape. Since mine was a circle, I placed the bar stool on top of the foam and traced it over to match the same profile. I did this on both sides, then used a razor and cut the foam from both sides. Next, lay out a rag or an old towel on the workbench, then place the fabric that you're going to use on top, then place the foam on top of the fabric, and finally place the bar stool. Then get your staple gun ready. In my case, I'm using an air gun with these staples, and start stapling from one edge and continue to go in a circle. Fold a small amount of material at a time and staple it to the chair. Make sure you keep good tension on the material so that way it compresses the foam a little bit. This way the material is not loose and the foam doesn't move inside the material. Once all the material is stapled, use scissors and cut off the excess fabric on the bar stool. Next, apply any finishing touches. In my case, I decided to add these finishing nails, which I'll have links in the description below, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.